Hi my viewers and listeners of Awilewe TV. Welcome to episode 2 of our data analysis course. In this episode, we'll be discussing the crucial steps of data cleaning and formatting. Data cleaning involves identifying and correcting errors in your dataset, while data formatting ensures that your data is organized and consistent in a way that facilitates further analysis. Why data cleaning and formatting matter. Before you can dive into the exciting world of data exploration and analysis, it's essential to make sure your data is clean and well formatted. Dirty or poorly formatted data can lead to inaccurate results and hinder your ability to extract meaningful insights. Data cleaning techniques. 1. Identify missing values. Missing values are a common occurrence in datasets. There are several ways to handle missing values, such as imputation, deletion, or using specific algorithms that can accommodate missing data. 2. Detect and correct data errors. Data errors can include typos, inconsistencies, and outliers. Use tools and techniques to identify and correct these errors. 3. Standardize data formats. Ensure that data entries are consistent in terms of format, such as date formats, currency units, and measurement units. Data formatting techniques. 1. Organize data into tables. Structure your data in tables with clear column names and rows. 2. Use consistent data types. Assign appropriate data types to each column, such as numeric, categorical, or date. 3. Handle large datasets efficiently. Use techniques like data chunking and data sampling to handle large datasets effectively. Practical tips. 1. Start with a clean dataset. Always begin by cleaning your data before embarking on any analysis. 2. Document your cleaning process. Keep track of the steps you take to clean your data, making it easier to replicate and maintain the dataset. 3. Use data cleaning tools. Leverage data cleaning tools and libraries to streamline the process. 4. Visualize your data. Use data visualization techniques to identify patterns, anomalies, and potential errors. 5. Validate your data. Regularly review and validate your cleaned data to ensure its accuracy and consistency. Common data cleaning tasks in Excel. 1. Identifying and removing duplicates. Use the Remove Duplicates feature to identify and eliminate duplicate rows based on specific columns. 2. Handling missing values. Replace missing values with appropriate values like mean, median, or mode, or use specific functions like VLOOKUP or index match for conditional replacements. 3. Correcting data errors. Use the Find and Replace feature to identify and replace specific characters or patterns across your dataset. 4. Formatting numeric data. Apply consistent decimal places, currency symbols, and thousand separators to numeric data using the Format Cells option. 5. Trimming leading and trailing spaces. Use the Trim function to remove unwanted spaces from text entries. 6. Converting data types. Convert data types to appropriate formats like text, numbers, or dates using the Convert to Number or Text to Columns FAR tools. Detecting and correcting data errors in Excel. Utilize the Find and Replace feature to fix typos and inconsistencies in your data. Apply conditional formatting to highlight potential outliers or illogical values. Leverage the IFEROR function to automatically replace errors with specific values or messages. Standardizing data formats. Use the Text to Columns feature to convert text data with delimiting characters into separate columns. Employ the Format Cells functionality to standardize date formats, currency symbols, and decimal places. Take advantage of the Paste Special options to ensure consistent format across values pasted from different sources. Organizing data in tables. Convert your data range into a formal table using the Format as Table option. Leverage filter and sort functionalities for easy data exploration and visual organization. Add calculated columns and use formulas for further data manipulation within the table. Applying consistent data types. Set appropriate data types for each column, such as number, date, or text, using the Format Cells menu. Take advantage of the data validation feature to restrict user input to specific data types and ensure accuracy. Utilize conversion functions like value and DATEVALUE to convert text strings into their corresponding data types. Handling large datasets. Utilize data filters and sorting options to focus on specific subsets of your data. Employ Power Query for advanced data transformation and cleaning techniques. Split large datasets into smaller chunks for efficient cleaning and analysis. Additional tips. Utilize Excel formulas and functions for cleaning tasks like removing unwanted characters, replacing text, and merging data from multiple columns. Learn to create and use macros for automating repetitive cleaning tasks. Embrace visual tools like data bars and conditional formatting to gain insights and identify patterns in your data. Data cleaning and formatting are essential steps in the data analysis workflow. By dedicating time and effort to these tasks, you'll lay a solid foundation for accurate and meaningful data analysis. Thank you for listening this second episode of Data Cleaning and Formatting. Don't miss the next episodes for more lessons about data analysis in Excel. My name is Maximilian Crescent Temba. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like and share the link. Have a good day.